Hi, I'm Dr. Bill Goodman. I'm the president and CEO of Goodman Technologies. Our company makes disruptive materials for extreme environments. Let me give you a couple of examples of extreme environments. In hypersonic flight, you're going 5 times the speed of sound. Things get hot really fast if you're in the atmosphere. In other cases, we're trying to stop bullets, ballistic protection. That's an extreme environment. For orbiting space systems, they're going in and out of the sunlight. It's a changing thermal environment as well as a radiation environment. So we're helping our customers to meet the most demanding environmental requirements. If you were to look across the boards at all the products we have, there are 2 things that are in common. One is they all involve nanomaterials. The second thing that they have in common is that we're using leading edge manufacturing techniques like 3D printing, additive manufacturing, to use these new nanocomposite materials to make things that are useful. All of our technologies are dual use, so there's also a huge commercial marketplace for all of these products. Here on the planet, we have all kinds of radiation environments. In fact, if you go in your kitchen, you got a microwave oven. If you look in that glass window, you'll see all these little tiny holes that are in there. That's radiation shielding. Well, we got a new kind of radiation, and everybody will agree that this is a technology disruptor. It's 5G. And most people don't know that there are going to be many more 5G towers than there were for 3G or 4G. So we're literally going to be surrounded by all this radiation. Everybody's got some sort of wearable that they have, or some sort of sensor that they need as a medical device. There's more computers in your automobiles, and the automobiles are going to be all electric. All these things require shielding against the electromagnetic spectrum. And that's where our products are dual use. We put our nanoforest technology in between the layers of the composite. That's one example. The nanoforest also does a number of other things for you. It provides multifunctionality, and what that means is not only does it make it stronger and tougher, but it also makes it more thermally conductive. So that you don't get gradients in the material. Also making them lighter weight, and that's an advantage. In our first raise, we're looking for $15 to $25 million, and we're going to use that to hire a lot of human capital. These are things like business developers and human resources department, key engineers. And where all these people are going to go are into a manufacturing pilot plant that uses our nano materials and nano manufacturing processes. You know, one of our other challenges is anonymity. We've been in stealth mode for a couple of years now. Nobody knows who we are. I was so excited the day that Steve called me up and said, hey, you're going to be one of the 3 companies for 2022. I was very delighted to be informed of that.